friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have a mini fall haul from Eden's Garden. I've said this so many times, Eden's Garden has the blends, no matter what season it is, but especially fall, that are so good that you will not look back to traditional candles after you diffuse their blends. They smell so good. They add vanilla to a lot of them, or most of them that I have at least, and their blends are so good. Maybe the best. I just did a fall plant therapy and a fall revive. So those will all be on separately, but I'm also doing a combined video with like best of 2024 fall blends. But I have to tell you, Eden's Garden might take the cake on their blend. So anyways, this one is Friends and Family. Oh, also before I start too, Eden's Garden is on our list because they are very transparent. They've been around for a long time. They share their GCMS reports on their website, and they just have an abundance of education and information. They're just a really great company. I'm soon going to film my 2025 Best of Essential Oil Company list, and they will be on it. Anyways, Friends and Family Essential Oil Blend is first. So I'll show you the bottle and then I'll just share what is in each one. I do have some minis that I'll have to look up on their website. They sent me some samples of blends. I don't know why they didn't just send me the full bottles, but anyways, this one has cedarwood, orange, juniper berry, lime, black pepper, gurjern balsam, which I haven't heard of, cedarwood, patchouli, cardamom, vetiver, balsam, tonka absolute, vanilla, CO2, coffee, and damania, which I think I'm saying that right. Let me give it a good shake to make sure we mix up the blend. What did I say? Friends and Family. Oh, this smells so good. It just smells like comforting and warm, kind of spicy, kind of sweet. It's such a great balanced blend. I don't know who makes their blends, but they are so good at it. Autumn Air is next. This one is lemon, lavender, cedarwood, cinnamon, davana, fir, palmarosa. Haven't heard that in a while. Lime again, or no, it was lemon, now lime, lavandin, which is a different form of lavender, clary sage, fenugreek, CO2. See the CO2s in their blend, I think are what set them apart. Geranium and allspice. So this one is a little bit different, but still such a huge blend. I think with the range, a huge blend makes it really similar to a candle, more than just mixing 3 essential oils, which you can just pick out each scent. This one blended together, and the way that they do it magically is just so good. And what sets them apart, and what reminds me more of like, or what makes me give them a better recommendation for replacement of fall candles instead of just a blend of 3 oils. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Holy moly. This one's more sweet. It's definitely different. Let me just smell them side by side. This one is more like woodsy, spicy. This one is more sweet. It's uplifting. It smells so good though. Oh my goodness. Like a calming, uplifting, a warm, I don't know. It smells very good. Coffee crumb cake I'm excited about. I am just expecting it to smell exactly like that. This one is a smaller blend. This is coffee, CO2, tangerine, cinnamon, mandarin, coconut, CO2, vanilla, CO2, nutmeg, and octa tea. Oh, it smells like a cinnamon roll. What is it? Coffee crumb cake. It smells like breakfast when you have coffee and a cinnamon roll. Oh my gosh, that's what it reminds me of, and it smells delicious. Breakfast is my favorite. It's super warm, sweet coffee. This one's very good too. And we have Cozy Cabin, Spiced Chai Latte, and Sweata Weather. So I'm going to look up the blends really quick so I can tell you what's in each one of these. They have a beautiful website too. I know that's not the most important thing, but it's important to me. And right now they have all of their fall essential oil blends right there when you first go to edensgarden.com. Super easy to find. So if you go to look for these, they'll be right there. Cozy Cabin. So this one says, warm, soft, and comforting. This blend was created with the ultimate, how do you say that? Hygge, H-Y-G-G-E. I don't know how to say it, but I know what it means. Vibes in mind. Where to go? Cozy Cabin. So this one, this is the cutest tiny bottle. Ooh, that smells good. It's kind of like, I get like it's cabins are kind of like stagnant air, but it smells like woodsy and warm at the same time, if that makes sense. This one is cedarwood, copaiba, lime, black pepper, tobacco absolute. Definitely picking that up. Patchouli, coffee, angelica root, tonka absolute, cistus absolute, fir, Douglas, and then peppermint. And then the next one is spiced chai latte. It says swirls of cinnamon, comforts of warm chai to create the perfect fall seasonal aroma. That smells exactly like a chai latte, and chai lattes are my number 2 favorite besides pumpkin spice latte, and they might be even. Don't tell anyone I said that. Peru balsam, coffee, clove, cardamom, tangerine, orange, nutmeg, ginger CO2, pink pepper, vanilla CO2, dahmania, and octa-tea. If you want to diffuse your chai latte in your house, get this. It smells exactly like it in such a good way. It smells so good. All of the notes are there. It smells amazing. The last one is sweater weather. So let's see what it says about sweater weather. A warm, tranquil, comforting aroma that will carry you through the coldest of days. This is a blend of juniper berries, cedarwood, black pepper, gurjun balsam. The other one that something else had that too. Douglas fir and Peru balsam. Did I ever say that? Cardamom. This is a more simple, oh, what is that note that's lingering? Oh, it's just like a comforting, lingering smell. What one is that? See, I don't even know because like I don't have gurjun balsam, or I don't have any of the CO2s, so I can't really place those individual smells, but it's just an amazing blend. My goodness. So that is it. There's 6 different blends. Let me go back. I think that might be all of them. Let's see. They have 2 different sets. So one has the coffee crumb cake, autumn air, and families and friends. What did I have? That's the one I had. So that's $37.95. That is such a good price too for the set of those. And then the other set has, oh, it's the same. They have, create your own. So you can go on and select 3 of the ones that you want to try, which that's such a good option. Good job, Eden's Garden. That one's $39.95, depending, maybe it changes. So let's just see. No, it's $39.95 just to go on and select which of all of them. So they have 9. So I didn't have all of them. I have 6. So they have Add to Cart blend, Autumn Air, Coffee Crumb, Cozy Cabin, Family and Friends, Peak Pink, Lotus Sands, Spice Chai, Sweater Weather, and Wind and Sea. So there's 9 different ones to choose from if you want to make your own. But that is it. I'm doing lots of fall hauls and fall scents and blends videos coming up. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. The link to shop Eden's Garden will be down below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.